How to screen mirror on iPhone to computer. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you screen mirror your iPhone to a computer easily. So let's get started. First, make sure that your iPhone and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. After you confirm that, on your iPhone, from your home screen, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. After you open Control Center, from there you'll have to find out the options like screen mirroring. If you not find that, tap on plus icon just at the top left. From here, simply you can tap on add a control at the bottom. From here, as usual in the source field, search for screen mirroring, and after you find it, you can manually add it. After you find screen mirroring, you'll have to just tap and hold that. Alright, from the section, if you don't see your computer name, make sure that you have a mirroring app like Reflector or Air Server installed on your PC or laptop. So you have to just install that application from Microsoft Store. After you install that application on your PC or laptop, you'll have to open that. And from here, as usual, you can add your activation key or continue trial. After you give the access for a server to screen mirror, you can easily find your computer name on the screen mirroring section on your iPhone. So simply choose your computer name from here. Alright, as you can see, by doing that process, you can easily mirror your screen from your iPhone to computer. So this is the easiest and simplest method to do a screen mirror from your iPhone to computer. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.